This video is about prepositions and its types. So first, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word before a noun or pronoun that shows its relationship with other words in a sentence. In addition to that, preposition also tells where or when something is in relation to another words in a sentence. In this example, Jasmine owns the cat under the Christmas tree. So the preposition is under, which shows the relationship between the cat and the Christmas tree. Number 2. The black cat behind the bag looks scary. So the preposition is behind, which shows the relationship between the cat and the bag. Example number 3. I saw a black cat inside the house. So the preposition is inside, which shows the relationship between the cat and the house. Now, here are the list of the commonly used prepositions. Preposition is a word or words after a preposition. So this will be discussed in the next video. The prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase is made up of a preposition and the object of the preposition. This will also be discussed in the next video. Now, here are the types of prepositions. The first is the preposition of direction. In this example, turn the table to the left side. So the preposition is to, which shows a direction to the left side. The second is the preposition of time. In this example, I celebrate my birthday before Christmas. So the preposition before shows the time before Christmas. The third is the preposition of location. In this example, the cafe is between Watson's and Miniso. So the preposition between shows location, that the cafe is between Watson's and Miniso. Lastly is the preposition of space and position. In this example, I found a lake beyond those trees. So the preposition beyond shows a space or position that the lake is beyond those trees.